I'm Nancy, and today I am going to share with you my Christmas bake morning breakfast. Stick around, I'm going to show you how it's done. We have the melted butter in our pan, and now we're going to add some additional stuff. Okay, so here in the pan we have the onions, the peppers, the potatoes, and celery, and we're going to saute them in butter with a little salt. Hear the sizzle, yes, hear the sizzle. All right, while they get together and get to know each other, we'll just let them saute there for a few minutes. And as soon as the onions start getting a little translucent and the potatoes start getting some more clarity, we will add in our mushrooms. Uh-oh, you hear our timer? We better check in on our sausage links and turn them and put them back in for another 4 minutes. Okay, I'm adding in the mushrooms to the mix. I'm going to mix them up. And continue on our merry journey to a Christmas morning bake. As I keep mixing, you'll notice that my mushrooms are now in little pieces, and that's because I use my masher. Here it is. Oh, glorious little tool. You just press it on to the potatoes and the mushrooms, and it will cut them up. Woohoo! Love that masher. Alrighty, next, some grape tomatoes. And then let's add some plastic coleslaw. And now, and now, we're going to mix that all in. Let them get to know the other plants and veggies that are in there with the spices. I've added a pinch of each one: garlic, paprika, turmeric, cilantro, oregano, onion powder, cumin, mushroom, kelp, and dulce. And our sausage links are ready. Look at that. Golden, yummy looking sausages. Vegan sausages, of course. Alright, so now I have added my tofu. And what I did was I broke it up, put it on top, sprinkle some turmeric, sprinkle some paprika, a little salt, and the secret ingredient for my scrambles, tofu scramble, a little sesame oil. It will help give it that eggy taste. Now I'm going to mix it in. And as you can see, my tofu is making friends with the onions, peppers, celery, tomatoes, et al. And is it really me? Yes, it's really me cooking the food. Oh, that is looking so good. But now I'm going to add a little cheddar shreds from Viola Live. Yes, I'm just going to put it in there. Woohoo! The more the merrier. Welcome to the Christmas bake. I'm mixing it in so that it is shared amongst all the veggies in the pan. And next, I'm going to take my sprouted whole wheat bread from Natural Grocers. I'm going to put them in the toaster And once they're done, I'll show you what happens next. Okay, so I have taken the sausages and I have cut them up, and I'm going to integrate them into our scramble. All I can say is looking good. Next, we're going to take our toast and I'll show you. So here it is. I toasted my bread, and now I am going to break it up and add it to the scramble. Alrighty then. So as you can see, I tore up the toast, and now I'm going to mix it in as well. Get it right in there. Let it join in the fun. Dive in. Yeah, baby. Do it. Okay, so everything is mixed in. And now I'm going to get my baking dish. And I'm going to add my scramble into my baking dish. Since it is a Christmas morning breakfast bake, we're going to go ahead and get a little maple and check it out. Just drizzle a little bit on top for that Christmas spirit sweet. So we've reached our temperature of 375, and now I'm going to take the Christmas bake without a cover, and I'm going to put it in the oven for 20 minutes. See you later. In the meantime, while I'm waiting, I have set up my table for the Christmas morning bake. And here it is, right out of the oven. Can you hear it sizzle? Doesn't that look delicious? And there it is, my Christmas morning bake. I hope that you will enjoy it as I am about to. Cheers. Remember, don't eat unconsciously. Eat with awareness, kindness, and compassion. Happy holidays. Wish you were here. Because, smell it, see it,